Let's look at this problem. In an after-school program for juniors and seniors, there is a debate team with equal number of students from each class on the team. Among the 28 students in the program, 25% of the juniors and 10% of the seniors are on the debate team. How many juniors are in the program? The mathematical part of this problem is not very hard. However, the hard part of the problem is to understand it correctly. And you have to map each statement or each number to the correct group. Otherwise, you'll mess up all the calculations. Alright, let's take a look. We'll use some little diagram to help us understand it. So first of all, we know that there is a program, an after-school program. So let's call this a program. And within this program, there are some juniors and some seniors, right? So let's just draw a random line and divide the program in two parts. So some of them are juniors, and some of them are seniors. And now they are going to form a debate team with equal number of students. This is very crucial, with equal number of students from each class on the team. So which means we need to bring out the same quantity from the two subgroups. So these two are equal. And then we form up a debate team. This is our debate team, right? And at the same time, we know that this program has a total of 28 students. And the question is what? The question is this part. How many students are there for this junior part? And if we cover up this debate team, there is obviously no solution to this problem, or no unique solution, right? And the only fact that links the juniors and the seniors is through this debate team. And this is very important. And at the same time, we know that this part is 25% out of this. And this part, senior debaters takes 10% of all the seniors from the after-school program. And therefore, there are a couple of ways to set up this equation. Let's set X juniors and Y seniors, right? And the first relationship is very easy. X plus Y equals 28, right? We have a total of 28 students in the program. And at the same time, we know that 25% of X is forming a debate team. And that number equals to 10% of Y. And this is from this relationship, this equal sign in here. Therefore, we formed a system of equations with two unknowns and the two equations. To solve this problem is quite straightforward. So from the second equation, we have, let's change these percentage to fractions. So that's 1/4 of X equals 1/10 of Y. And if we multiply a 4 on both sides of this equation, so that's X equals 4/10 of Y. And of course, that's 2/5 of Y, right? And then we plug this into this equation. And then we'll have 2/5 of Y plus Y equals 28. And that is 7/5 of Y equals 28. Therefore, Y equals 28 times 5/7. And we cancel this 7 with this 28, that's 4, which equals 4 times 5, that's 20. Therefore, we have 20 seniors. This y represents the number of seniors in the program. Therefore, the juniors equals 28 minus 20. This is y equals 8. So our answer is 8. So C is our choice. Let's call this method 1. We build up a system of equations with two variables. And if you prefer to use a single variable, that is also possible. So let's separate these. And let's say in method 2, you want to use a single variable, and that is also doable. So let's set, we have x juniors, right? And then we know that 25% of this x is simply the number of juniors in the debate team. And that equals to the number of seniors in the debate team as well, because these two parts are equal. And therefore, we know that this accounts for 10% of the seniors in the whole program. And therefore, our equation will be 25% of x equals 10% of the seniors. Then how many seniors do we have? We have a total of 28 students in the program, out of which x are the number of juniors. Therefore, this is the number of seniors. So the whole expression is our equation for the x variable. And we can solve this. So let's spend maybe 30 seconds to solve this equation. So it's also very straightforward. Again, I want to convert this percentage to fractions. So that's 1/4 of x equals 1/10 of 28 minus x, right? And then we want to multiply 20 on both sides. That's the common multiplier of the two denominators. Therefore, on the right-hand side, we have 20 times 10, that's 2 times 28 minus x. And on the left-hand side, we have 20 times 1/4, so that's 5x. Therefore, we have 5x equals, let's remove these brackets. So that's 56 minus 2x. Therefore, that's 7x equals 56. Then x equals to 8. So as you know, even if you use a single variable, it's not very hard to solve this equation. Actually, the difficulty level of the two methods are roughly the same. So you can choose either way to solve this problem. It's really up to you. All right, in the end, let's check this solution. So 8. So we still get the choice C. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe the channel. If you have questions, please leave a comment.